work, Deuce.
We ready to roll?
Let's roll.
Tariq says we should be clear through Menjawar, but he said the Taliban are moving into the hills. Mission is to get to OP Clementine. The route is loaded through our GPSs. Looks like we got some squirrely terrain ahead, so eyes open. If something doesn't look right, I want to hear about it.
Roger.
Roger.
Questions, gentlemen? Okay, let's rock and roll. Vegas and I are splitting off south of the Wadi.
Roger. See you on the other side.
Have a good one.
Once you have eyes on the compound, cover us. We're gonna cross to the wall. Make it fast. Those trucks were in a hurry.
Get eyes on Panther, Vegas. Near the compound wall.
Moving.
Dusty, we got a Gizzy in the tower. Deuce, get eyes on the tower. Panther, you and Vegas are clear. Roger.
Moving.
D, let's find a way inside the compound. Follow me.
You know I don't carry that ammo.
You guards, take your pick. I'll get the other guy. Clear.
Double D, this place is crawling with Taliban. Maintain your noise discipline.
We'll go, Panther.
We're moving through the building, going upstairs. Look for us up top.
Deuce, clear that building on the left. I'm going right. D, I need eyes on the courtyard. Get to the window. Watch it. They got good in the tower. Quickly and quietly put him down. D, I got another target. Look at that roof to your right. rally up.
Dusty, cover the door.
Roger. Bingo. This looks useful.
Sure does. How's your Russian?
How to Shay?
If these are enemy positions, we're gonna be real busy. Jimmy, Panther, things have changed. Looks like the enemy are in the mountains. There's a lot more of them.
Roger. Listen, Flag wants to send in the Rangers ahead of plan.
Not advisable. The reality has changed. Plus, Task Force Rebel is going in tonight.
That general's 9,000 miles away. He's calling an audible.
He doesn't want the Afghans. He wants our guys on the ground.
He needs to listen to the guys on the ground. It's find the bad guys, kill the bad guys. It doesn't work real well the other way around. Stall him.
Roger. I'll do what I can.
What do we got? More bad guys to kill. Trucks are full of them. That's why we're here, ain't it?
True. Let's move out. Grab that radio.
Roger.
We are clear. Dusty, Deuce, continue on your route. You have to go through Menjawar. Expect company.
Roger.
Vegas, we're taking a high road.
Come on, D. I know the way out. Good thing it wasn't locked. Trump line coming up. It's a long way down. Stay to the left. Big drop, Deuce.
Dusty, slow down. There's Taliban movement right in front of you.
Luco, G, off the gas. Panther's got something.
Dusty, get eyes on that village ahead. We're right above them. We take pot shots from here and we're blown. Have D take them out.
D, get the Barrett out.
Dusty, can you see that guy outside the hut?
PID.
Terminate.
Wilco, D, 600 meters. Nice shot. He's done. We got another target. He's moving. You're gonna have to lead him. Easy, D. Kill shots, not quick shots. Dusty, we got a Gizzy in the tower. Got him. 11 o'clock. Take him out, Deuce. Switch over to thermal and you can see his feet. Good kill. Settle down, D. Exhale.
Shit. Eyes on the tower. He's moving at a good clip.
Roger, I see him. He knows something's up. Deuce, tower. Goodbye. No chicken left on that bone.
Double D, pack it up. We have eyes on the trucks.
Deuce, let's move.
Dusty, you're gonna run right into the Menjawar.
It looks like they're making a pit stop. You're gonna mark the trucks with IR beacons and continue to Clementine.
Nice. We get spotted and we're going hard, Panther.
Roger that. Keep it quiet as long as you can. We don't want to compromise the mission.
Wilco. D, stop. We're on foot from here. Stay soft and watch the windows and doors. truck and multiple targets. Let's move up. Don't jump the gun, Deuce. Let's wait for him to separate. Advancing. We're clear. They're gone. Take out the guy in the doorway. Clear. I'll mark the truck. Watch my six. Panther, one truck marked, one bad guy dead. So far.
Roger, Dusty. Good luck.
Likewise. Come on, D. One down, two to go. No time to hide the bodies. Just move quickly and we're out of here before they find them. Hold us. Stay in the shadows and we can do this quietly. They don't need to know we're here. All right, we're clear. One left. We got two targets. You take one, I got the other. Enemy down. Advancing. Deuce, I'm gonna get a bird's eye view. Hang on. I got another truck 50 meters ahead on your 10 o'clock. You're clear. He's down. Now you're clear. Place a beacon on the truck. Hold D. You got company. Take out one, I got the other. Target right. You're shooting. Now get out of that courtyard. Let's go. Move quickly, D, and stay quiet. We can do this without trouble. Clear. Move. Got a guy in that hut at 12. He's alone. He's done.
لازم تجيب هالنوع من الأمريكان.
You're clear. Mark that truck and let's get out of here.
هذول أحسن شيء. معي منهم هون جرب واحد.
Well done. Now get over here. Stop right there, D. Target right. D, bust him. Hold Deuce. Well done. Let's move out. Come back to me.
Dusty, you guys have more company. Stay stealthy.
We'll go, Panther. More targets. This ain't gonna be quiet. On you, D.
He's the open D, move!
They're done. Moving.
There you go, son. I got this guy. Hold D.
Dusty, give me a sit rep.
Roger. 15 to 25 enemy KIA. Trucks marked with IR beacons. We're moving back to the ATV hide site.
Sounds good. No time to waste. Reaper 3-1 is in the air. We need to get to Clementine.
Roger. D, step it up. 3 targets. No sneaking by these guys. On you, D. Clear. Let's go, D. Panther, we are rolling. Roger. Deuce, get on the gas. Next stop, Clementine. Slow down, D. We're here. Panther, we are at the OP.
I have eyes on you.
Deuce, need you to hide and booby trap the ATVs and occupy the OP. Welcome to Clementine. Let's get set up. We're on foot from here.
Panther, full package in position. Table is set. Waiting for the dinner bell.
Roger that, Panther. AC-130 Reaper 3-1 on station at 10 mics. Contact them on this push in the green.
Wilco, Jimmy. What's Neptune status?
Neptune is just outside OP Dorothy. Reaper 3-1 will service your targets, then Neptune's.
Roger, Jimmy. We're standing by.